The Mark II Focus ST for me is a practical daily as well as a weekend road warrior. My example isn't a show car, it's not even clean, but I'm building it how I want it. I'm Paul Thompson and this is my 2007 pre-facelift Ford Focus ST225. Now the ST actually stands for Sports Technologies. A lot of people don't know this, and a lot of people ask what it is. They kind of think maybe it's super touring, but no, definitely not. The ST225, well, it actually features a 2.5 litre 5-cylinder engine. Yes, this is the engine that was taken from Volvo and shoehorned into the front of a Focus, and it's much loved by the community. The engine, well, it's a turbocharged unit and it actually outputs around 225 horsepower, hence the name ST225. Now, I actually bought the car in April 2021, and at the time of filming it's actually March 2025, so it's probably one of the longest cars I've owned. Yeah, I think about 4 years, and it will be, well, 4 years very soon. Over those 4 years, as you would have seen if you've seen my other videos, I've fitted some BC Racing adjustable coilovers, I've put some uprated bushes on the car, I've put some lighter wheels, some Yokohama tyres. I've not really dabbled with the performance of the car because at the moment, touch wood, the car's running really well, and I'm really enjoying it. It's just a pleasurable car to drive. Now obviously, hopefully in the future, I'm going to be doing a few more things to the car, but then there's a dark side that has happened to my life recently. I've recently been diagnosed with stage 3 cancer. I underwent an operation, it was a 7-hour thing, touch and go, and I nearly didn't get through it. And one thing it does teach you is who your friends really are. It's kind of funny watching people's reactions to my condition because some people just don't want to know you anymore. It's a very, very strange thing because some of these people I've helped throughout my entire life, but I'm a positive person, I'm on the turn. I'm going to improve. I'm undergoing chemo at the moment, which is not the easiest of things, but the only thing left in my life that gives me pleasure is my Ford Focus ST. It's a pre-facelift, which is not to everybody's tasting, but I actually prefer the brutality of the front end of this car. And anyway, I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. I've enjoyed putting it together. If you do like it, leave a like and please click on the subscribe and support me and my future videos that I'm going to bring you.